Well, first of all then, tell us about Evolve Design. What is it you offer?
Evolve Design offer a complete service from the moment people get their plot of land through to the design stage, through planning, building regulations, to even working with them on site and helping them to project manage their build.
So you're more than architects really, aren't you? You're a sort of total solution.
We're really almost a one-stop shop, but we can't call ourselves architects. We're actually members of the Chartered Institute of Architectural Technologists, which means that we're architectural designers. But we're a bit more than that because we've also specialised in Passivhaus, so we're also certified Passivhaus designers. So really our speciality is helping people do very energy efficient homes.
What sort of uptake are you getting? How much interest is there out there amongst self-builders for passive houses?
It's growing. Maybe not to go the whole hog in having a certified passive house, but certainly to adopt the principles of passive house and to make their homes as energy efficient as possible. Most of my clients now give me a budget and ask me to go as far as I can for them within that budget.
And do those sorts of expenditures, you know, if you're going all the way into a passive house design, will they pay back?
They will, and part of the designer's course that I have to go on and take exams on is to show the economics of it, to make sure that they can get a mortgage to cover and that it is economical for them to actually achieve what they want.
So tell us a bit about the economics. How does it stack up against a normal build?
It stacks up very well because we're looking at running costs of a typical 4-bedroom house of down below £200 a year. So when you think some of my clients who are in houses that maybe aren't that old are paying well over £1,500 for their fuel, you can soon see that it doesn't take that many years over the life of a mortgage for you to actually get a payback.
I mean, the one thing that I have come across with people talking about passive houses is they sometimes say things like, oh, I think it would feel like being in an airtight box and I like to open the windows and all that kind of thing. I mean, you must come across that a lot. What do you say to those kinds of criticisms?
Well, what you're getting is a very even comfort level, which is what passive levels are actually all about. And yes, we do have mechanical ventilation with heat recovery. But in the summer, you do what everybody else does, which is to switch off the mechanical ventilation and open your windows and doors. So yes, would you really have all your windows and doors open in winter? Answer, probably not. Therefore, you'd be losing all your energy. So in the winter, you use your MVHR. In the summer, you turn it off.
So I suppose the simple answer is, would you live in one?
Yes.
There we go. Can't get more categoric than that. But of course, once the outside of the house has been done, you've got to go and do the inside as well. Over to Jackie talking to John Lewis about interiors.